Well, Trump has deployed the National Guard in Washington, D.C., which is really strange because on January 6th, I thought the president couldn't deploy the National Guard in Washington, D.C. But I guess now the president can deploy the National Guard, but not then for some reason. Huh. That's really weird. Well, why is he doing it now? Oh, because he says crime is at an all-time high. Except crime is at a 30-year low in Washington, D.C. He's not lying to you, is he? Huh. That's weird. That seems so unlike him. But yeah, I guess, according to MAGA, Trump deserves the Nobel Peace Prize. Because nothing's more peaceful than deploying the National Guard into the streets of your capital city. Laszlo, the curious